Quentin, can you tell me what you got here on number 6?
Negative 1 q to the second over 5 q to the third.
Okay, so let's take a look at his answer, okay? So negative 5 over 25 reduces to negative 1/5, that looks great. Okay, subtract, keep in mind that there's a 1 there if you need to write it. So 6 minus 1 is 5. I have more p's on the bottom, so I have my leftovers on the bottom. 7 minus 5 is 2. You have more q's on top, so 2 q's are left up on top. That should have been your answer. Okay, does anybody have a question about 5 or 6?
So, like, even when you, like, subtract them all off, like, with the p's, you just take away the top one, like,
Yeah.
that's,
Okay, anybody else? Okay, so now let's take a look at number 7. Now, number 7 is the exact same thing we were just working on. That's squared on the outside, we are dropping it in. Just make sure you drop it into the numerator and the denominator, okay? So if you remember yesterday when we were doing a little bit of our calculator work, when we had like 2/3 squared, right? We square this guy and we square this guy and call it 4/9, right? Okay? Well, it's going to be the same concept here. We're going to drop in a 2, okay? So we're going to square everything on top. Okay, so what will that be when I square the top here? Raise your hand. What will that be when you square the top? It's okay, go ahead. Okay, 9 into the 14, right? 3 squared is 9, and then, negative 3 squared is 9, and then 7 times 2 is 14. Okay, so now, what would we get on the bottom when we square all 3 parts on the bottom here? What do we think?
6
Okay. Yeah, go ahead, Quentin.
16
Right,
and to the 4th.
very good, all right. So we squared the top, and then square the bottom. 4 squared is 16, 8 times 2 is 16, 2 times 2 is 4. So now just clean it up. 9/16, does that reduce? No, I got some head shaking, no, that's right, no, 9/16 is just gonna stay as is. All right, M's. I got 14 and I got 16, Guadalupe, what do you think there?
2 to the second,
Or top or bottom?
the bottom.
Very good, M squared on the bottom. Now, what about this end of the 4? What are we doing with it, Ben?
stays on the bottom.
Yeah, just rewrite it, okay? There's nothing to subtract, so it's just hanging out there. Okay, and this will be your final answer. Okay? All right, does anybody have a question on that? All right, I'm going to give you a minute here. I want you to try number 8 on your own. Number 8 on your own. Okay, just see what you come up with. It's okay if it's not quite right. We can erase.